Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert Roman numbers on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a or how to insert a Roman numbers on your Microsoft Excel web. So to insert the Roman numbers on your Microsoft Excel web, you can use this option. So because if you're just going insert the insert option, there is no option to insert the Roman numbers. The symbol options are present here. So I just suggest to use your keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut here first you just want to press Windows key plus dot symbol. Okay. So press the Windows key on your keyboard, then press the dot symbol. So it will open this box. So this is a symbol box. Click on the symbol option first. Then you just have a lot of different categories here. You just want to press the math symbol. And here you can find the Roman numbers up to 10. You can see, just scroll down, you can see the Roman numbers. This is how you just insert the Roman numbers on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.